Hello and welcome to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Weyd application on your Android TV, TV box, Google TV, or any device running the Android operating system. For this tutorial, you will need to download the application. To get the download application, watch the tutorial I've linked in the link in the description to access it so you understand how to download the download application, because we'll be using it to get the Weyd application downloaded. This is how it would look like when it is in your Android device. Click on the download application and you go to home. From home, input the code for the app you want to download. In this case, it's the Weyd application, so the code we're going to be using is 74052. Make sure your code is correct and click on the Go button. After a few seconds, your download will begin. Be patient and wait for an automatic download to toggle on your screen. The file download progress bar is going to move from left to right, showing your download progress. Stay put and wait for the download to complete, after which we'll install the application and delete the file for the package. The application has been installed, so you click on the install button to get it into your Android TV. Given this prompt, hit on install anyway. When that goes through, your Weyd application will be downloaded, installed, and you can delete the package installation folder by hitting the delete key, and now you can access this application in your home app library. That is all for this tutorial. If you liked it, like it below. To drop a comment, let me know how your experience was. Share this video to somebody who you think needs it, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.